National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses the protection of electrical wiring in various environments, including unfinished garages. The specific requirement depends on the wiring's proximity to framing members like studs. NEC Section 334.30b covers the protection of cables. This section generally dictates that when wiring is installed within 1 and 1/4 inches, or 31.8 millimeters, of the surface of framing members, it must be protected. This protection can be achieved through several methods as outlined in 334.30 or 334.30b through before. Firstly, Method B allows for the use of specific types of cables that are inherently more resistant to physical damage. These include Type AC cable, which is armored cable, Type MC cable, which is metal-clad cable, and mineral-insulated metal sheaths cable. Secondly, Method B2 involves the use of a raceway to enclose the conductors. A raceway is essentially a channel designed to hold and protect electrical wires or cables. Examples of raceways include conduit, electrical metallic tubing, or IMT, and rigid metal conduit, or RMC. Thirdly, Method B3 permits the use of a listed cable protector, which is a device specifically designed and tested to provide physical protection to cables. These protectors are typically made of metal or durable plastic. Fourthly, Method B4 allows for the use of a listed surface raceway that provides protection from physical damage. Surface raceways are similar to conduits but are designed to be mounted on the surface of a wall or ceiling. However, it's crucial to understand the specific scenario outlined. If the wiring is installed 1 and 1/4 inches or more back from the stud face, then the NEC doesn't mandate that the wiring needs to be protected with conduit or otherwise shielded. This is because the wiring is considered to be sufficiently recessed to avoid typical physical damage. However, it's always considered good practice to protect the wiring from physical damage, even when not explicitly required by the NEC. This can be achieved by using cable staples or cable ties to secure the wiring to the studs, keeping it neatly organized and further reducing the risk of accidental damage. In summary, to determine whether wiring in an unfinished garage requires protection, you must first assess its proximity to the framing members. If it's within 1 and 1/4 inches, then protection is required, and you can choose from the approved methods outlined in NEC Section 334.30b. If it's further than 1 and 1/4 inches, protection is not mandated, but it's still recommended as a best practice. Consider the environment and the likelihood of physical damage when making your decision. Always refer to the latest edition of the NEC and consult with a qualified electrician for specific guidance on your project. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards, and local codes may have additional requirements. Understanding these codes and ensuring compliance is essential for electrical safety.